If you don't comply, you're going to get other charges. You're going to get other charges. Don't do that to yourself.
Can I please tell my friend that he's
when you get back to the station, I promise.
No, he can just take my car and that's it. He can park it.
When you get back to the station, I promise.
No,
Melissa, you're getting very close to getting an obstruction charge, which is going to be worse.
You guys,
go.
Can you please do this?
Go. Hello. My name's Officer Lee. I'm the Mount Prospect Police Department. Pulled you over today for speeding. Do you know how fast you're going?
I hope in the legal limit.
No, far from it. You know what the posted speed limit on Route 83 over here is? Elmhurst Road.
Well,
Okay, how fast do you think you're going?
I thought I was going like 35.
You're going 55 in a 35. 20 miles over the posted speed limit. Any reason you're going so fast?
No, I'm going.
Okay. Any reason it took you so long to stop, even though I honked at you several times?
28 of boy, Nora X-ray.
Okay. You said you didn't see me? So I was following you for quite a bit of ways through here through the parking lot, and you weren't stopping.
Running red lights.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license on you?
And running red lights.
I'm gonna come over and get that from you. Okay, can I see your license, please?
Yeah, of course. I didn't see you at all.
Okay. Where are you coming from tonight?
My house.
Your house?
I have my boyfriend living here.
Your boyfriend lives here. Okay.
My driver's license?
Yes, please.
No.
That's not your driver's license?
Oh, I'm so sorry. No, it is. It is completely legal. I'm so sorry.
It's completely what?
It's good. It's good.
Okay. All right. How much you had to drink tonight?
I didn't.
Coming back Clear Valley.
You have anything to drink? Okay. What kind of drink?
Just like a little more.
Golden, Colorado.
A cocktail or a beer or
Comes back on a Toyota RAV4 though.
Came for my friend's house. Yeah, a little cocktail. Like,
a cocktail like what? Like vodka or rum?
Just a little mixed drink.
A little mixed drink?
My boyfriend does the pair.
Okay. About what time did you have that mixed drink?
Like 2 hours ago.
2 hours ago? Mm-hmm. Was it a big glass, small glass?
A medium-sized glass.
Medium-sized glass? Did you finish the whole thing?
I did.
How long did it take you to drink? Guess.
Maybe like an hour and a half.
Hour and a half? Okay, so about 2 hours ago, and then you finished drinking maybe half an hour ago? Would you say that was safe?
20.
Okay, very good. And nothing else besides that one mixed drink? Okay, the only reason I ask is you're kind of slurring your speech a little bit. I can smell the odor of an alcohol-based beverage.
No, but it's not that serious.
Okay, do you take any medication or anything like that?
I mean, no, not at all.
What do you mean?
No, it's just funny because, like, honestly, like,
Okay, okay, you're not diabetic, are you?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm healthy and well. I'm sorry.
All right, very good. Do you have proof of insurance for the car? Do you have proof of insurance for the car?
Yeah, I do.
Why don't you get working on that? I'll be right back with you, okay? So stay right here.
Yeah.
Okay. You have the insurance?
2017 by Addison for driving under suspended.
But I do have insurance.
Okay, very good. We'll worry about that in a little bit.
Like if no, actually, I'm right. I took my.
Okay.
I do have it.
We'll worry about that in a little bit. Do you mind stepping out? I gotta talk to you out here for just a moment.
Okay.
Is the car in park?
Yeah.
All right, very good. I don't want this to roll off on you. If you step out, I gotta talk to you back here. What's up?
You can't touch me right now?
No, I gotta talk to you back over here. We'll turn that down for you. We'll go talk over on the side over here. Over here. Melissa, over here. Okay. Talk over here. So you said you just had the one drink?
Yeah.
The mixed drink about 2 hours ago?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Because of some of your behavior and some of your driving, I want to run you through a few tests, make sure you're okay. That's all, okay? So, do you wear any contacts or glasses or anything like that?
I do have contacts, but I didn't wear them today.
Okay. All right, very good. Do you have any other eye problems, abnormalities, stuff like that?
No.
You're good? How's like your general health? You're not sick or anything, are you?
No.
No? Okay. How's like your hips, ankles, knees, all that? That all good?
I have to just go to the bathroom, but other than that, I'm great.
I'll try to make this faster, okay? All right, do me a favor. Stand with your feet together just like this.
No, okay.
And your hands at your side like this.
Yeah, of course.
What I want you to do is follow the tip of my finger.
You guys, don't look at me.
These are my bodyguards.
Of course.
So I want you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? So don't move your head, just your eyes, okay? All right, you see my finger?
Our driver here is telling me this is some kind of permanent plate out of Montana.
I think because the bright light is on my
Okay.
hand.
Is that better?
Yeah, it's basically, yeah. I can see it.
Okay, keep following it.
The only reason I was smiling is because I watch so many cop cars. I'm sorry. Like, like the cop shows. Okay, sorry.
Keep on. It's okay. Keep.
I mean,
Focus.
I know. No, that's,
You're good.
I promise you, like.
Okay.
this
Keep
is
your hands at your
just my
side.
personality, okay?
There you go. Trust me, we've dealt with far worse. So try not to move your head. Okay, stare straight ahead and just follow the tip of my finger. Okay, you see it? Can you look at it?
Yeah.
All right, there we go. Okay, you said it was just the one drink? Are you sure? Okay, very good. Why don't you stand right here for me and face the cars? So, what I want you to do is imagine from your left foot all the way that way is a straight line, and I want you to stand with your right foot in front of your left like this. Yeah. Keep your hands at your side. You going to be good to do it with those shoes on? You can take them off if you like.
I don't think it's...
Okay, I'm just trying to give you the benefit of that. So stand with your...
Wait, what if I have to go to pee? Like, okay.
I'm trying to make this as fast as possible.
Yeah, of course.
So imagine from your left foot all the way there, straight line. Once you put your right foot in front of your left, hands at your side like this, and stay there. Okay? I'm gonna explain the test. So get back in that position for me. I'm gonna explain the test for you. I'm gonna demonstrate the test, and then you go. Can you get back in that position for me? Right foot in front of left heel to toe, just like this.
Just hypothetically, off the record, this reminds me of Reno 911.
Reno 911?
I might do it. Okay, then I'll get it serious.
Okay, I remember that one too. At least I'm not wearing the short shorts, right?
No, exactly.
All right, very good.
Okay,
so stand like this. You stand like this for me? All right, so it's going to be 9 heel to toe steps this way. Turn.
How many steps?
9. And then turn 9 back. I want you to count out loud. It's going to go just like this. I'm going to demonstrate the whole test for you. You're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 9. Turn. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So remember, 9 heel-to-toe steps. Count out loud. Look down at your feet, okay? Whenever you're ready. Keep your hands at your side, too.
Of course.
So whenever you're ready, go ahead.
I already called my boyfriend. He's watching from behind the scenes.
Okay.
This is so annoying. Okay.
You ready?
I'm going to do what I can.
Go.
No pressure. 9 and back.
Okay.
Alright? Watch this. 1.
Central from 7100. When you get a chance,
4,
I have another
5,
event for you.
6, 7, 8, 9. Don't blame my flat feet. Back. 9. 1. Sorry. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right, very good. Do you have your phone on you?
Yep.
You're saying that's a VIN?
I got another one for you here.
Oh, God. How many more tests?
I'm trying to make this as quick as you can. I'm being as quick as I can. I'm not being mean. No, come on. Okay, come on. So this next one, you're going to pick either foot you want. I want your hands down at your side like this. I'm going to use my right foot. You can use any foot you want. Doesn't matter to me. Hold it approximately 6 inches above the ground, parallel, and count 1001, 1002, 1003, and keep going till I say stop. Look at your foot and keep it 6 inches.
Count?
Yeah, and count out loud.
6 inches.
6 inches above the ground, approximately. Okay, so don't start until I tell you to. Okay, you ready? You understand?
Well, hold on. Hold it up till you say so.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Don't start until I say so, and count out loud till I tell you to stop. Okay, remember hands at your side too. Okay.
How far are my hands gonna have to be?
Keep your hands at your side.
Oh, right here.
Okay. When I say go, go, go. Count out loud.
1.
And look at your foot.
100,000. What is it? What the 100?
Just count out loud and look at your foot.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
7100.
11, 12, 13. I don't know what the count is.
Keep going. It's fine.
Well,
Alright, the first VIN that you gave me, I ran it out of Illinois, Montana, and Colorado. And the only state that had a response is came back with an expired plate.
I'm sorry, guys.
Thank you.
I literally I tried my
Thank you.
best.
And it did come back on that Mercedes, but expired in
Kumbaya, like Rafiki? Was that Kumbaya? No. What does Rafiki say in Lion King? I forgot what he says. Hakuna Matata. So this next one, I'm just going to ask you. What you do is you blow into it, and if you keep blowing out, one big solid breath takes about 6 to 10 seconds. Okay?
This is where I have no offense because I need a job, but I cannot blow into that.
Why is that?
I've seen, honestly, I've been like very educated with the, like, you know, I don't know. I have nothing. Okay,
Well,
you're right.
This is to see where you're at, because I think you've been drinking. So this is to see where you're
I
at.
already admitted to that.
Oh yeah,
I admitted to
which I appreciate. If you don't do this, then I have to base my judgment, what's going to happen from here on, based on everything else I've seen here. If you said you've only had one drink, this should go really well.
Yes or no?
You didn't do very well.
You guys didn't think I did well?
No.
You didn't see this? Oh, then I'm definitely gonna. Thanks for the audience. I'm gonna forfeit this. Can I go to the restroom really quick?
Okay.
And
so, you sure? Because I want to see where you're at.
I
Because
honestly, well, based on the, like, if I feel the test, and then no, I don't want to blow. Like, I'm honestly.
Because I'm trying to give you the opportunity to prove to me that you're okay to drive and you're under the legal limit. So I want to provide you with every opportunity to prove that.
I think I did that with my dancing.
What's up? You did that with your dancing?
With my thing, right?
Okay. Well.
Right, and I put the like no. So
No,
I'm just gonna opt the test.
You're an opt not to.
But
You're 100%
I
sure.
have to use the restroom.
Okay. So, Melissa,
you guys,
based on everything I've seen here, based on your...
You think
Yeah, I think you've been drinking. I think you're over the legal limit. I think you're intoxicated. So right now you're under arrest for DUI. I need to put your hands behind your back, okay?
Wait, 1 second,
No,
one
wait,
second. I want to admit 1 second. Okay, I'll blow the test.
You'll do it?
Maybe, but can I please go to the bathroom first?
Not right here. I can't. That's illegal.
It's gonna be, like, if I go out there, it's gonna, no,
I can't let you do that right now. I can't let you...
I've been on escort.
Okay.
You guys are gonna make me, I
Can't have
to
you
be
do that.
so bad already.
I'm trying to make this
That's
quick.
the only reason I rushed here.
The quicker you do this, the quicker we'll get on. So blow real hard like you're blowing a big balloon, okay?
Can I get, like, confidential advice from a friend?
Not right now, but if you're gonna blow, now's the time. Yes or no?
I have a good one. Oh,
Okay.
no!
It's a yes or no, Melissa. I need you to relax.
Listen.
Okay.
Listen. I think we're listen.
Yeah.
Okay. Look, I am.
Blow real hard. This is your last shot.
Okay, you're right.
Okay?
I think I'm not drunk.
Blow real hard. Blow hard. Don't blow in. Blow out. Real hard. Go. Hard. Blow. You gotta blow longer and harder. Okay. I'm gonna give you another shot. Okay.
But can I go to the bathroom first?
Not right now.
Then where am I gonna go? No.
Okay. Blow out real hard, real long. Okay, like you're blowing up a big giant balloon.
What? Okay. Fuck it.
All right. Ready? Go.
The goddamn thing. I'm not gonna blow into this thing.
Okay.
I'm not gonna compromise myself.
Okay. You're under arrest for DUI. I need you to put your hands behind your back. Okay. Melissa, calm down.
I have to pee. You guys are busy.
I'm gonna let you pee back at the station. Okay.
We'll bring you back and then you can. One thing at a time, but we'll let you go.
Custody for DUI.
If I get it, like, no.
We're gonna get everything you need. Okay. We gotta go to the car now, Melissa. Go with these. Go with my partners. I'm gonna get it.
You know what? No. Hold on. I don't authorize anyone to go into my car.
I have to get your stuff out of your car.
No, you don't.
It's okay.
Close the goddamn door.
You want your phone?
No, I don't authorize it. Stop.
Okay. I'm getting everything you need.
Stop.
Melissa, if you don't comply, you're gonna get other charges. You're gonna get other charges. Don't do that to yourself.
Can I please call my friend? Like, he's
When you get back to the station, I promise.
No, he can just take my car and that's it. He can
When you
park
get back to the
it.
station, I promise.
No.
Melissa, you're getting very close to getting an obstruction charge, which is going to be worse.
You guys,
Go.
Can you please do this?
Go. Go.
No. Do what you need.
Melissa, go.
No, listen to me.
No, we're done talking.
No.
Go.
Listen to me.
Melissa, go.
Okay, stop.
Pull her.
Okay, listen to me. I don't want you to don't do this. You guys are so rude.
We're taking care of your car. Don't worry.
I'm watching it.
I'm getting everything you need.
It's like Christmas thing. Like, all right. You can park it right here. You guys can just let them park it. Now you can.
Stop! You're getting in the car right now.
Park. You can let them park my car. Melissa. Stop!
Yep.
You guys are so rude. Hold
Search
on.
her.
You can just let him park my car. We live right here. Hold on.
Melissa, you're about to get another charge.
No, for real. You guys gonna tow my car? Like, that's rude. It's like Christmas time. Don't do that to me.
We'll get more back to the station.
Isn't that enough that he was fucking pulling me over?
Get in the car.
Fucking up like this.
Get in the car, Melissa.
No.
Put your legs in the car.
Penny, can you just be my car?
Put your foot back in the car.
Get your foot in the door.
Melissa.
No, I'm just serious. I'm not trying to be
foot-
funny. Like, it's not.
Foot in the door.
No, like, this is. I'm sorry, but please.
Melissa, enough.
No,
Put your
but
foot in the
please.
car.
But my boyfriend lives here.
I would
Just
go with it.
let him park here, please. It's gonna be like an hour. Like,
You're getting charged with resisting right now.
No, I'm not trying to do that. Like,
Well, you are.
Doing that right
I'm
now.
trying to comply,
Get
but
your foot in the door
I
now.
just don't want my car to get towed.
Okay.
Like, come
Okay.
on. Like,
Okay,
that's-
foot in the door.
It's already enough.
Foot in the door.
Melissa has been arrested and is now facing charges for driving under the influence, along with obstructing a police officer during the incident. So far, officials haven't released any additional information about what led up to the arrest. As with most cases like this, we can expect more facts to come out as the investigation moves forward. And DUI charges combined with obstruction can carry some pretty serious legal consequences. We'll be tracking this story closely and bringing you every update the moment it drops. If you don't want to miss what happens next, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It really helps us keep you in the loop.